perfect example of how you ruin your own life by self-sabotaging. Let's do this activity. I just want you to get your fingers, your hands together, and you can see for me, my right thumb is on the top, which is a very comfortable position. Now, I want you to do the opposite. Okay, now I'm trying to put my left thumb on the top, which is very uncomfortable, and I have the urge to get back to this comfortable position, right? This is what our brain does to us. Our brain says, don't do anything new, don't do anything uncomfortable, which is dangerous. That's why we are not able to build our new habits. We are not able to be disciplined because we are so used to being in a comfortable position, saying, so the brain has been trained that that's the comfortable position. This is what you have been doing for a long time. Why are you trying to do something new, which is dangerous, right? And that's why we get back to that zone. Okay. What you're supposed to do is build a habit religiously. The truth is, we label ourselves saying that we are a procrastinator, we are a perfectionist, we are an introvert. We keep giving labels like I have this ADHD, anxiety. The truth is, these are labels that puts you into the prison cell. The truth is, you can get out of it. The problem is you're not prioritizing it. You would love to give excuses by giving those labels to be in this comfort zone. The longer you try to be consistent and stay in this uncomfortable zone of trying something new and healthy, you will be able to break this. How you can build it for the next 7 days, whatever that you're trying to build or get rid of, do it religiously for 7 days. It could be getting rid of addictions or something, or you're trying to build something new. Do it for 7 days religiously. After that, you'll be able to break it. Then keep continuously doing it for next 14 to 21 days, which eventually becomes a habit. And why 14 to 21 days? It's usually psychologically that's how it works. It's a challenge. Even the challenges are for 14 to 21 days. That's the reason so that you can build a consistency. It's a deadline you're giving to yourself. So stop comparing and also stop comparing yourself with others online. Okay. Their life is different, your life is different, and stop scrolling your life away and waste your time. And stop ruining by giving those labels. Those labels are just labels. It's not you. It's not your identity. Don't allow that kind of identity to put you into that prison cell. And that's why instead of growing, you're blaming. Instead of building, you're giving excuses. Stop giving excuses to those labels, which is not true. The more you give labels, the more belief system you put into those labels. And that's what influences your life. And stop doing that.